did it as easily. Look at this. Look at this. He's going to Jose Aldo. Look at this.
Look at Jose Aldo.
He's in front of Jose Aldo screaming at him.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Really?
He should have killed me when he had the chance, because now I'm back, and I'm going to kill you and your whole fucking team. You and them bitch tits. We're rich, baby. Conor McGregor made us rich. Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
This guy TKOs people. When I knock people out, they don't fucking move. They're not... Who the fuck is that guy?
You think you would beat Ilia Abturo, Top Toro? Or grab him with a scruff of the chest and slap that little nose off him, yeah? Little ding-dong of a thing he is, yeah?
Sorry I'm late, I just don't give a fuck!